we're an avatar of consciousness, but we're the only avatars of consciousness, and there's not avatars of consciousness that exist on other planets?
Well, there may be. I'm not saying that's not a possibility. I'm just saying if you look at this, the cost-to-benefit curve, any system that's a self-changing system is going to have a sweet point where scaling up anymore costs more than the benefit. And I see 9 billion people here, adding a couple of more who are struggling like the rest of humanity, trying to become love and acting very poorly, then I don't see that it's necessary. I see that maybe the cost-benefit curve says you don't need any more than that. If you scale, it becomes more work than it is benefit. You've got individuated units of consciousness all making choices, learning from those choices to become love. Okay, and that floats the whole, because as each choice is a good choice, then the entropy lowers a little bit, but because that consciousness is a part of the system, the whole system's entropy is lowered a little bit. So we're the larger conscious system's, one of its ways of lowering its own entropy is through us. So we lower entropy, it lowers the entropy of the system. And it has to compute a whole lot of stuff for 9 billion people. It's a big game. It's a big multiplayer game. Somewhere along the line, all systems like that have a curve where if you expand it anymore, the cost of expanding it is more expensive than the result that you get back, which is the rate of entropy reduction.
Right, but are we sure? Because you're adding things to this theory all the time.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure of that. I'm not saying that is a truth. I'm just saying that is something to consider.